Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Rider on your Windows PC. This tutorial works on Windows 10 and Windows 11, and supports 64-bit systems. Rider is a powerful cross-platform IDE from JetBrains, built specifically for .NET development. It's ideal for C#, ASP.NET, Unity, and more, offering fast performance, smart code analysis, and a smooth development experience. Let's jump right in. Start by opening any web browser. I'm using Chrome, but Brave, Edge, or Firefox will work just fine. In the address bar, search for Download Rider. From the search results, click the official JetBrains website. I've also included the direct download link in the video description. Once you're on the Rider download page, make sure Windows is selected as your operating system, then click the download button. Save the installer file to your PC. The download time may vary depending on your internet speed. After the download is complete, locate the installer file and double-click it to begin the installation. If Windows shows a security or user account control prompt, click Yes to continue. The Rider setup wizard will open. Click Next, choose your installation folder, then click Next again. Follow the on-screen instructions, select your preferred installation options, and click Next. Finally, click Install. Wait for the installation to complete. This may take a few moments. Once the setup finishes, click Finish. You can now launch Rider from the Start menu or by using the desktop shortcut. When Rider opens for the first time, accept the user agreement and click Continue. Next, you'll be asked to activate Rider. If you already have a license, choose Activation Code and enter your details. Otherwise, select Start Free Trial to begin using Rider for free. And that's it. Rider is now installed on your Windows PC, and you're ready to start coding. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.